In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify Bybit account. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Bybit on your device and sign in to your Bybit account. And here, go ahead and click on the Verify Now button, which you'll find at your home page. So click on this and click on the Verify Now button. So as you can see in here, here's the list of benefits that you can have if you get verified for level 1 KYC on Bybit. So go ahead and click on the Verify Now button to proceed. In here, you can select your country or region of issue. You can use the search bar or just scroll down to find your country. Now you can select the document type that you want to submit for verification, such as ID card, passport, driver's license, or residence permit. So go ahead and click on what applies for you and what ID are you going to use to verify your account. Now you'll get redirected into this page where you'll be able to find all the documents needed to verify your Bybit account. And here, go ahead and select your issuing country for the documents that you're going to submit on the platform. So go ahead and look for your country on this list or use the search icon to be able to search for your country right away. Now in here, you can click on the specific document that you're going to use for verification on Bybit. And here, you'll need to take a photo of the front and back of your ID and record a video of yourself to confirm that you are the owner of that ID. Now after this, you'll get redirected back to Bybit. And once you head over to the notification section, you'll be able to find the notification stating that your account is already verified for level 1 using your submitted documents. Now once you reload Bybit, Verify Now button will be gone on your homepage. And that's how you can simply verify your Bybit account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.